G800 6-axis CNC gear hobbing machine, ideal for rapid, high-precision machining of medium to large gears. For safety, the automatic door uses cylinder-controlled operation with automatic opening-closing functionality. A safety door lock can be added. Safety door lock can be added. Safety always comes first. Its stable vertical machine structure, combined with a 6-axis CNC system, an electronic gearbox, delivers smooth, precise gear cutting, capable of machining gears up to 800 millimeters in diameter and module 12. It is ideal for automotive transmissions, industrial gearboxes, and heavy machinery. The machine features a high-rigidity cast iron frame and independent lubrication, hydraulic, and cooling systems, maintaining machining accuracy even during extended continuous operation. The G800 is the ideal choice for gear manufacturers demanding efficiency, precision, and reliability.